all of you. Today I will demonstrate you about if an object is rolled over a smooth, a normal and a rough surface. If we will take a bunch of notebook and place a slant object to it, and we will mark a point at that slant object, and we will take a cylindrical object and apply a less amount of force on it, it will start moving and stops at a certain point. This is due to friction. Now if we will place a sandpaper and takes the same object and applies the same amount of force, we can see that it covers the less distance than the first one. This is because of the roughness of the sandpaper, as we know that rough surfaces have more friction. Now there are irregularities present on every surface which are not visible to us. And now I will show you about the live example, practical example of it. So let's start. Hello friends, so as I have told you, I will show you the practical example to demonstrate when we apply a same amount of force on an object and rolled it over a smooth, a normal and a rough surface. It covers how much distance? So let's start. Please friends, don't concentrate on this cap. Actually yesterday I had a haircut, so therefore I have put on this cap. So let's start our practical test. See, this tile is for smooth surface, this paper is for normal and this poly bag is for very rough surface. I have taken three objects. I will apply the same amount of force on these three objects. First this. You can see it goes from here to here. Now if I will apply the same amount of force on this object, it covers very less distance than this one. Now this is very rough. Now let's see what happened to this. And you have saw that it not covers more than 1 meter distance. It means that on the rough surface the object covers very less amount of distance at very less speed, because of there is higher friction at this, and on this surface it is normal amount of friction, but the friction is there. But on this surface it has less amount of irregularities and it is smooth. So therefore this objects travel a large distance. So friends, this was a practical example to demonstrate you when an object is rolled over a normal, smooth and rough surface with the same amount of force, what does it happens? Thank you friends.